So in this video, we're going to be doing the IES spotlight. So first of all, we want to set some curves to where our light's going to be. So the light source will be at this intersection here, and it will be shining down onto this part here. So you go V-Ray lights, and click IES light. And the first point will be where the light is shining onto, so the point that you want to light up. So that'll be down here. And then you can select the size of the light, so the area of it. So we'll make it about this size. And then the final point is where the light source will be. So our light source will be on the wall here. And you'll have to load in IES preset. You can find these online just by typing into Google IES Spotlight with V-Ray. Free downloads. There's lots of free resources out there. So we'll just select this one and load it in. Now we'll open our asset editor. You can see it gives you a display of what the light will look like. So when you load in the light, the different types will show up. And then on intensity here, you want to select it, make sure it's turned on. You usually set it anywhere between 20,000 to about 80,000. So we'll try 50,000 for now. And then we'll use our interactive view to see what it looks like. You're just going to make sure you drag it outside the wall so that it shows up in the render. As you can see, there's our light. Let's try increasing it to 80,000. So that looks about good. And now we need to make a light source. So for this one, we'll just set it as a simple box. So you just make a rectangle. And so the bottom part of it will be the light source. So we go into our asset editor. We'll make a new emissive material. These settings should be good. And we'll just go right click and apply to selection. And so now this layer here is our emissive material. You'll need to turn off material override. And you can see it shows up in the render. So now once we put our light source onto the point light, it will act as the light source. So let's see what that looks like. But again, you're going to make sure it's not on the actual point, otherwise it will block the light. So we'll just add a bit of temperature to it. So we'll go with a more cooler light for this one. And then we'll do a render. And here's what the final outcome looks like.